dear students, welcome to Electrical Power System lecture series. I am Professor Manan Desai from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus, Junagadh. Today we learn about ABCD parameters of transmission line. Previous lectures we have discussed about short transmission line system. Now today, what is ABCD parameter? So the learning outcome is the students are going to learn from this lecture are importance of ABCD parameters, relations with ABCD parameters with different quantity of power system, and calculations of short transmission line. A major section of power system engineering deals in the transmission of electrical power from one place to another with maximum efficiency. So it's important to a power system engineers to be through with a mathematical modeling and how this power is transmitted. ABCD parameters and two-port network is used to simplify these complex calculations. Now we are discussed about what is a ABCD parameters. So ABCD parameters is a generalized circuit constants used to help the model transmission lines. We can say more specifically ABCD parameters are used two-port network representation of transmission line. The circuit of such as a two-port network is shown below. This block is showing a transmission line connects the P and Q, R and S. These are the two ports where Vs is a supply voltage, or we can say a source voltage. This is a sending end current, this is a receiving end current, and this is a receiving end voltage. To maintain the accuracy of a mathematical model, the transmission lines are classified into three types. Short transmission line, which have 80 km and 20 kilovolts. Medium transmission line, which have 80 to 240 kilometers and 20 to 100 kilovolts. And long transmission line, which has 240 or above 100 kilovolts. This is necessary since certain electrical phenomenon such as corona discharge and Faraday effects only came into play when dealing with the long transmission line. The formula we are going to discuss of ABCD parameters will change depending on the length of the transmission line. So we have to discuss these three classifications. Now, the ABCD parameter of transmission line provide a link between the supply, voltage and currents, considering the circuit elements to be linear in nature. This is a two-port network, and as the name suggests, P and Q and R and S are the two ports with four-terminal network. Means it was a linear, passive and bilateral network. The input voltage and input current can be expressed in terms of voltage and output current. Each port has two terminals to connect itself to the external circuit. Thus, it is essentially a two-port four-terminal circuit. Now, we can determine the relation between sending and receiving end specifications are given using ABCD parameters. In order to determine ABCD parameters of transmission line, this is equation 1, which shows sending end voltage is equal to AVR plus BIR, and sending end current is equal to CVR plus DIR. So it in a matrix form, Vs and Vr is equal to ABCD into VIR. This is a matrix form and it is written in a matrix form for easy calculation. Now we are going to study some different cases for ABCD parameters. See, applying the open circuit conditions to ABCD parameter, we got A as the ratio of sending end voltage to the open circuit receiving end voltage. Since dimension wise A is a dimensionless parameter and the ratio of voltage to voltage. See, this is the case 1 ABCD parameters when receiving end is open circuited. So see, you see here that IR is equal to 0. So if IR is equal to 0, Vs is equal to A VR plus B 0. Vs is equal to AVR plus 0. So A is equal to Vs upon VR when IR is equal to 0. Now when we applied the same condition for IR is equal to 0 and we got the C where Is is equal to CVR plus D0 is equal to Is is equal to CVR plus 0. So we derive C is equal to Is upon VR and CIS is equal to VR is a circuit conductance and unit is a mho. Now thus implied that applying short circuit condition to ABCD parameters, we get parameter B as the ratio of sending end voltage to short circuit current. When ABCD parameter circuit as receiving end is short circuited, VR is equal to 0 and so our equation Vs is equal to A into 0 plus B into IR. So ultimately Vs is equal to 0 plus BIR. So we got B and B is a short circuit resistance and unit is a ohm. And furthermore for Is is equal to C into 0 plus D into IR where the same condition is applied that the end circuit is short circuited. So Is is equal to ultimately D into IR. So we can derive D is equal to Is upon IR where VR is equal to 0. So we can say D is also a dimensionless parameter. Now we can conclude that ABCD parameter in a tabulate form, that these are the parameter and its specification and unit. We can repeat the A is equal to the ratio of sending end and receiving end voltages. So it is a voltage ratio and it is a dimensionless or unitless component, where B is a ratio of sending end voltage and receiving end current. So ultimately it is a short circuit resistance and unit is ohm or we can say resistance. Now C is equal to Is upon VR. It is a ratio of sending end current and receiving end voltage. So ultimately it's a conductance and unit is mho. And D is a Is upon IR, means sending end current and receiving end current. So it's a current ratio and it's a unitless quantity. So A and D, we can say A and D are dimensionless or unitless parameters. B and C have unit. B has a ohm and C has a mho. Now, the relation between ABCD parameters. The ABCD are the generalized circuit parameters as we have discussed earlier. The values of these constants are depend upon the particular method adopted for the transmission line. Like we are using short transmission line, so we have neglected the capacitance in short transmission line, where we have to calculate the capacitance effect in medium or long transmission line in pi or T network. So the method adopted for transmission line are different, but once the values of this constant are known, the performance of line can be calculated easily. So for that reason, the following points may be kept in mind. First point is, for any given transmission line, the parameter A and the parameter D are equal. A is equal to D. And for the satisfactory calculation, the second condition is AD minus BC. AD minus BC is equal to 1. Now we are going to discuss about ABCD parameters calculation for short transmission line. We are not going to repeat a short transmission line and its description, but here you see that the figure have a source and load with Vs and Is, Vr and Ir, and between these two we have connected a transmission line in the model of Z, R plus X is equal to Z. So in this short transmission line, Is is equal to Ir and Vs is equal to Vr plus Ir Z. Z means R plus Jx. So in short transmission line, sending end current is equal to receiving end current, and Vs means sending end voltage is equal to receiving end voltage plus IRZ. The IRZ is ultimately a drop. So comparing these two equations and compared with ABCD constant, we got A is equal to 1, B is equal to Z, C is equal to 0 and D is equal to 1. Like in previous our matrix, Vs IR is equal to ABCD VR IR. So here here Is, so Is is equal to IR and Vs is equal to VR plus IRZ. So incidentally A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 1. So our first condition is satisfactory fulfilled. A is equal to D and AD minus BC is equal to 1. So our second condition is also fulfilled. So the ABCD parameter calculation is successfully completed for the short transmission line. See how we can further proceed about medium transmission line. Some of the reference books are here for studies. That Stevenson and Kothari are the good books for line performance, and I hope the students enjoyed the lecture and complete knowledge of ABCD parameters. Thank you.